Hello everybody, my name is Vita from Smile Team Turkey. And today I'm gonna talk about very common problem, call it grinding or bruxism. There are two ways that we can offer for you for this kind of problems in our clinic. First solution for grinding teeth is night guard. When people finish smile makeover in our clinic, anyway, you're getting night guard and we ask you to use it minimum 1 month every single night. This issue is very important because in daily time you can control yourself, but in the night when you're sleeping, you can make very wrong movements with your teeth. First of all, you can bite your cheeks and tongue, make unnecessary noises, but also you can crack or chip your teeth sometimes. Using night guards is very useful anyway because it gives you better sleeping, you got your lifted face, especially this is very important for the women. The next solution for the grinding problem is the Masseter Botox. That's the special injection with the Botox material that we do in the jaw muscles. A lot of people afraid that the Botox will change your mimics or make your face feel strange. That's not true. Our surgeon is using special technique to provide the relaxation of necessary muscles. This procedure you can renew usually every 6 or 7 months. So if you have problem with the grinding of the teeth, we will advise you to have both of these procedures done. And as always, it's time to smile again.